First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the engine and this is the location for engine air filter. We will take out these two clips first. All we have to do is just pull them down. That was the first one. And that's the second one right there. Now we'll grab the top cover and then slide it towards upside. After that, we will lift up the top cover completely and right there you would see the engine air filter visible. We'll just grab the filter and then pull it outwards. In my case, the filter is good, so I will be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that the curved portion right there stays at the top and the other portion like that stays at the bottom. So I'll punch in the filter back where we took it out from. We make sure that all the edges are completely in from all over and it seems like it is completely in. With that, we are good to put down the top cover. Now to punch in the top cover back, we will come to this side right there. So what we have to do is we have to make sure both of those tabs actually place into those positions. Here I am grabbing the top cover and making sure those two tabs are completely in those two positions. Just like that, we push both of them all the way in. We got both the tabs completely slided in. Now we'll go at the front and put back both of the clips. Before punching in the clips, make sure you are pressing the top cover downwards. Then we will punch in both of the clips one by one. One bracket is in. Second bracket is also in place. With that, we are done with the replacement of engine air filter. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle. And to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.